Hi, this is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island, and what a beautiful day to show you this great new opportunity at 6319 Invermere Road. One of the things I like about this most, it's the location. It's so close, like the ocean access is really 5 minutes down the road and you're right on the sandy beach. The other thing I like about this house is the interior finishing. It's been redone and it shows really well. Let's have a look inside. There's lots of reasons to like this home at 6319 Invermere Road. Let's start with the new windows. Big, beautiful vinyl windows, and that in itself is a serious investment and gives you some good peace of mind. The other reason you're going to like it here is the kitchen. Everybody spends time in the kitchen, and the walls have been removed with solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, dining room, family room, living room. Look at this space. One of the things people like about living in Eagle Point is it's so quiet. You can be out in the backyard and really enjoy yourself. And here on Invermere, this has a covered deck for year-round comfort. Okay, so if you had a checklist for a family home, you'd want to have 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So we have that. You want the home to be renovated because, hey, renovations are expensive. That work's all done. You want it to be close to schools. We've got Dover and McGurr right around the corner. How about beach access? It's right over there. Shopping at Woodgrove is right over there. Call your agent today and book a viewing at 6319 Invermere.